Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to subtract cells in Google Sheet. There are two methods to do this. For the first method, type an equal sign. Next, select the cell containing the first number. After selecting the cell, type the minus symbol. Now select the cell with the number you want to deduct from the first number. Then press enter. You will see the result display in the cell where you entered the formula. For the second method, type an equal sign. Then type the word minus, followed by an open parenthesis. Then select the cell with the initial number you want to subtract from. Add a comma. Then select the cell containing the number you want to subtract. Close the parenthesis. Then press enter. The result will be displayed. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.